Looking for an honest review of the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher, 6 programs portable dishwashers with 5L built-in, review 2026. Let's dive in. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, having a reliable and compact dishwasher can make a huge difference, especially for apartment dwellers and RV enthusiasts. The HAVA Countertop Dishwasher offers a modern solution with its portable design, built-in water tank, and 6 versatile washing programs. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this dishwasher eliminates the need for a fixed water hookup while delivering professional-grade cleaning. Whether you are washing baby bottles, dinnerware, or delicate glassware, HAVA aims to simplify your daily chores. The HAVA Countertop Dishwasher is packed with features designed for small spaces without compromising performance: portable design, compact and lightweight, perfect for apartments, RVs, or dorm rooms. Built-in 5L water tank, no plumbing hookup needed, allowing installation anywhere with a power source. 6 washing programs, offers normal, intensive, eco, glass, baby care, and quick wash for tailored cleaning. Baby care function, high-temperature sterilization ensures baby bottles and utensils are hygienically cleaned. Air drying function, efficient drying cycle reduces water spots and eliminates the need to towel dry. Energy efficient, uses minimal water and electricity, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Quiet operation, low noise levels ensure minimal disturbance in small living spaces. Easy control panel, intuitive buttons and LED display make operation simple for all users. Despite its compact size, the HAVA Countertop. Thanks for watching. Check the link in description for HAVA Countertop Dishwasher, 6 programs portable dishwashers with 5L built-in, review 2026.